How do I make stickers with Cricut Maker? Step 1. Open your Cricut Design Space canvas. Step 2. Browse your sticker design. Step 3. In the Select Image Type, choose Complex. Step 4. Click on Continue. Step 5. In the Preview Cut Image page, click on Apply and Continue. Step 6. Select Print and Cut Image. Step 7. Click on Upload. Step 8. Click on Add to Canvas. Step 9. Size out your designs. Step 10. Select the design and click on Offset. Step 11. Set the distance and click on Apply. Step 12. Select the design and click on Flatten. Step 13. Upload a square. Step 14. Size the square according to your paper size. Step 15. Send the square to the back. Step 16. Fit the design over the square. Step 17. Hide the square from the Layers panel. Step 18. Select the whole design and click on Attach. Step 19. Click on Make It. Step 20. Click on Continue. Step 21. Click on Send to Printer. Step 22. Review the settings. Print Setup pop-up. Step 23. Turn off Add Bleed. Step 24. Turn on Use System dialog. Step 25. Click on Print. Step 26. Check settings in the print window. Step 27. Click on Print. Step 28. Receive the print. Step 29. Add the print over the cutting mat. Step 30. Load the cutting mat into the machine. Note: make sure you have calibrated your machine. Step 31. Select the material. Step 32. Cut the design. Step 33. After cutting, remove the stickers from the cutting mat. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.